Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out Act 2 Instant Popcorn, Classic Salted. I have the rupees 10 pack with me and the front promises 3-minute hot and fresh popcorn. But before we talk about the final snack, let's see exactly how to prepare and cook it, what is inside the packet and what the nutrition label tells us. The rupees 10 price also make the kind of the product many people may buy as a quick single use snack. So the cooking method and portion size are especially relevant before we decide whether it offers good value. The package states a net weight of 30 gram plus 5% extra, so the actual quantity is 31.5 gram. So I have already opened the packet. When you open it, if you can see the prepared popcorn mixture. You still need to cook this kernel before eating them. So how do you prepare Act 2 Classic Salted Instant Popcorn? First, you need to take a deep, thick bottom pan or a pressure cooker. So this is my pressure cooker. I have to empty the entire content of the popcorn packet into the utensil. You don't need to add or separate oil or salt because those ingredients are already included in the mixture. Next, after pouring everything in the pressure cooker, you need to cover the utensils with an inverted lid. The instructions say to leave a small gap facing away from you so that the steam can escape. Now place the utensil on a medium flame. As the mixture heats up, the kernel will begin to pop. Keep shaking the utensil as instructed so that the kernel cook more evenly and are less likely to remain sitting in one hot spot. Listen to the popping. When the pop becomes slower with around 1 or 2 seconds between pops, the packet says the cooking is done. At that point, switch off the heat and empty the popcorn from the utensil immediately when it is ready to enjoy. The packet describes this as a 3-minute preparation, but actual cooking time can vary depending on the pan, flame, quantity, and kitchen condition. So I will treat 3 minutes hot and fresh as a manufacturer preparation claim rather than a guarantee that every batch will finish in exactly 3 minutes. Also, because you are working with a hot oil, steam, and a hot utensil, be careful while cooking. Keep the lid position as directed, leave the steam gap facing away from you, and avoid opening, handling the utensils unnecessarily while the kernel are actively popping. Now let's look what is actually in the mixture. The ingredient declarations say popping corn of 70.8% refined edible palm oil is included and contain antioxidant TBHQ while iodized salt is listed at 3.4%. And now we come to the nutrition panel. The serving size is 16 gram and the package says there are about 2 serving per pack per 100 gram. The energy is 494 kilocalorie per 16 gram serving, that is 79.0 kilocalorie, listed at 4.0% RDA. Protein is 5.0 gram per 100 gram or 0.8 gram per serving with 1.5% RDA. Carbohydrate is 61.0 gram per 100 gram or 9.8 gram per serving. Total sugar are 0.0 gram and added sugar also 0.0 gram both per 100 gram and per serving. Dietary fibers 11.0 gram per 100 gram or 1.8 gram per serving. Fat is 28.0 gram per 100 gram of 4.5 gram per serving with 6.7% RDA. Saturated fatty acid are 13.0 gram per 100 gram and 2.1 gram per serving, listed at 9.5% RDA. Monounsaturated fatty acid are 11.0 gram per 100 gram and 1.8 gram per serving. Polyunsaturated fatty acid are 4.0 gram per 100 gram and 0.6 gram per serving. Trans fat is listed at 0.0 gram per 100 gram and per serving. Sodium is 1000 milligram per 100 gram or 160 milligram per 16 gram serving, listed as 8.0% RDA. So there are positive, added sugar is 0, trans fat is 0 and there's dietary fiber. But there are also numbers to keep in mind. Sodium is 1000 milligram per 100 gram and saturated fat is 13 gram per 100 gram. This means this should be viewed as a prepared salted popcorn snack rather than assuming popcorn is automatically a healthy food. Portion size matter, especially if you are watching salt or saturated fat intake. Let's start with the biggest advantage, price. This particular price is rupees 10 and the package state 30 gram plus 5% extra giving 31.5 gram. Another plus is that you get hot popcorn after cooking it yourself rather than buying a finished ready to eat product. A classic salted flavor is also simple. If you do not want a sweet popcorn or a heavily flavored option, the salt focus profile is straightforward. But now the con. First, this is not ready to eat. You have to cook it, so if you are looking for a snack that can be opened and eaten immediately, this is not the right format. Second, the ingredient list include refined edible palm oil and antioxidant TBHQ. That does not by itself mean the product is unsafe, but people who prefer a different oil or a very minimal ingredient profile may want to compare alternative. Third, sodium deserves attention. The label gives 1000 mg per 100 gram or 160 mg per serving. Fourth, saturated fat is listed at 13.0 gram per 100 gram or 2.1 gram per serving. It is useful to know the number instead of judging the snack only from the word popcorn. There's also a question of quantity. The serving size is 16 gram and the pack contain about 2 servings. So that is clearly a small pack. The manufacturing information printed on my package say it was manufactured for Sundrop brand limited 31 Sarojini Devi Road, Secunderabad, Telangana, India. The manufacturing date is 22 May 2026 and the use by date is 21 May 2027. The license number printed on the pack is also mentioned. So who is this product for? Act 2 Classic Salted is mainly aimed at people who want an inexpensive way to make a small warm batch of popcorn at home. But if your priority is the lowest possible sodium, lower saturated fat or a different ingredient profile, compare the nutrition and ingredient before deciding. My overall verdict is that Act 2 Classic Salted mainly a convenience and value product. The small price, pre-mixed ingredient and a pre-mixed cooking claim are its strongest point. The need to cook it, the use of palm oil and the sodium and the saturated fat numbers are worth considering. And that brings us to the big question. Would I recommend it for someone looking for a rupees 10 popcorn option that is easy to prepare and give you a small batch of warm popcorn at home? It is practical choice, but if your nutrition is your main priority, don't stop at the word popcorn. Check the complete ingredient list, serving size, and nutrition panel before making your decision. If you want to check the product online, I've kept the Amazon link available. Do you prefer making popcorn from plain kernel or do you prefer ready seasoned pack because they save time? And if you have tried Act 2 Classic Salted, how did you find the taste and quantity? I will see you in the next review. Bye friends.